Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset YouTube recommendations. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is click on your profile icon on the top right. Then you should see your data in YouTube, so you just want to click on that. And just scroll down and click on the arrow of YouTube watch history, and again scroll down. You should have the option to manage history, so you want to click on that. And once you're on here, this will just bring up all your activity. So obviously if you want to remove certain videos so it won't recommend those type of videos anymore, you can do that individually. You can also delete today's videos that you've watched. You can scroll down and do yesterday's videos and so on. So if you want to do that, just click on the X on each video. Then you can also click on delete at the top. This will give you a few options, so you can either delete today, delete a custom range, so obviously just put in the dates that you want to do on that. Or you can also delete all time, so you just want to click on there. You can obviously preview all the videos if you want to do that, but if you're happy with that, just select delete, and that will delete your YouTube history and obviously reset your recommendations. Thanks for watching.